Matthew Giroux, and this is my $10 cooking video. So today I'm going to make some chicken pesto pasta. So it's 5 main ingredients, which is traditional basil pesto, grated Parmesan cheese, whole grain penne pasta, some Roma tomatoes, and some chicken breasts. So let's get started. First, we're going to fill up our pot with water so you can boil it for the pasta. And now we're going to put this on the stove, where we will turn on the stove. And remember to stay back so you don't burn yourself. Now while the water is boiling, you can cut up your chicken. So you want to cut your chicken into little cube-sized chunks in your pasta so they're not too big. Okay. So after you cut up your chicken, you want to wash your hands so you don't contaminate any of the other foods that you're going to be working with. And now, we're going to take our chicken and we're going to cook it on the stove over there on that pan. You're going to put the chicken onto the pan, and then you're going to use some sort of tool to spread it all out so it can all cook. Just like that. So now while you got your chicken cooking over here, let's go see if our water is starting to boil yet. Nope, it's not quite ready. So let's start cutting up our tomatoes. Alright, so when you cut up your tomatoes for your pasta, you want to slice it up like this. And then take these slices and put them into quarters. Like half, and then half. Just like that. And then put them all into your bowl. Alright, so now it looks like our water is boiling here, so now we're going to put in our penne pasta. So you just dump all that in there. Alright, now that our chicken's done, we're going to put this into this little plate right here. Let that cool off for a minute. Oh, and it looks like our pasta is done also, so put on your cooking mittens. And let's drain the water from the pasta like this into this lower bowl. Alright, now we're going to put it over to the sink, rinse that water out, and then pour it into this bowl. Alright, now that we got our pasta in this bowl, let's put in some of our traditional basil pesto. Some of that in there. Take our pasta spoon and get that all mixed up in here. Oops, okay. We're gonna need some more pesto. Pasta. Alright. More pesto. Keep mixing it all up. Alright, now it's time to assemble the plates for everyone. So first you're gonna take a plate, get some of this delicious pesto pasta over here. Now, I'm going to take some chicken. Yeah, get some chicken in there. Then you can put get these tomatoes with a little sweeter flavor. And then just sprinkle some good Parmesan cheese on top. So guys, try it. What do you think?
Delicious.
Very good. Let me try, yeah. This is good.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, everybody.